me ask you something honestly, very, very honestly. How many times have you heard this? You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you make money on YouTube. And because of that, you probably think your channel is useless right now. You probably think your channel is useless right now. You upload videos, you check your analytics, you wait for growth, but nothing happened financially. Now here is the truth most beginners never hear. YouTube monetization is not one system, it's multiple system, and the biggest mistake you are making is thinking the only money on YouTube come from ads is a lie. Because right now, people with 200 subscribers, 500 subscribers, even less than 100 subscribers are making real money from YouTube. In this video, I'll break down exactly how they do it step by step. No confusion, no theory, just real working methods. Number one, the biggest misunderstanding. As in, the biggest misunderstanding. Let's clear this once and for all. The requirement is 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour is only for one thing. The YouTube partnership program, which is ad revenue. That means YouTube pays you for ads shown on your video, but here is what YouTube does not tell beginners. Come back to my channel, this is Rasheedat, and here we build smart. This is just one income stream, and ironically is often the slowest way to earn money, because before you even reach that point, you could have already made money using other methods. So the real question is not how do I reach 1,000 subscribers. The real question is how do I start earning from the audience I already have. Even if that audience is small, even if that audience is small and little, you can definitely do something. Then method number one, affiliate marketing. This is the most beginner friendly monetization method. Let me break this down. Let me break it down in a very, very simple way. Affiliate marketing means you recommend a product, someone buys it, you earn commissions. No subscriber required, no watch hours required, as in nothing is required. How it works on YouTube. Step one, choose a niche. Example, YouTube growth, beauty, fitness, tech tools, or app and AI tools. Then step two, you find a product related to your video. Example, editing apps, microphone, skincare products. Do you understand? AI tool like writing assistants. Then step three, you create a video that solves a problem. Example, instead of you just saying best editing apps, no, you will say best free editing apps that will make your videos look like professional, even on a low-end phone. You get. Then step four, place your affiliate link in description below. Now here is the key. People don't buy because of your subscribers, they buy because their problem is urgent. Your video is helpful. That is, your recommendation feels trustworthy. Even a video with 300 views can generate income. Then method number two, digital products. There is money in that, digital products. This is where small creators start thinking like a real business owners. Instead of just earning small commission, you create your own product. What is a digital product? It can be ebook, PDF guides, templates, presets, mini courses, and checklists. You get mini courses and checklists. Then examples of this are, you have to choose a YouTube niche. If your channel is about YouTube growth, you can create YouTube beginner growth blueprint PDF guide. Inside it, you will maybe like, okay, how to choose a niche, how to write viral hooks, how to improve retention, how to get first 1,000 views. Now imagine you make one video about YouTube growth and 1,000 people watched it. Inside that 1,000 people, you even though it's 2% that buy your product, that is already money without ads. Why this works so well is because you control the price. You keep most of the profit. You don't depend on YouTube approval. Even a small audience can sustain you. You don't need big audience. Small audience can actually sustain you. Then method number three, selling your services. This is the one of the fastest way to make money early on YouTube, because instead of waiting for skills, you sell a skill. Instead of waiting for skill, you sell a skill. Example, if your content is about YouTube, there is where we come to video editing, script writing, thumbnail design, channel setup coaching. If your content is about lifestyle or beauty, makeup consultation, skincare routine guidance, personal brand advice. How YouTube helps you in this? Every video you post becomes proof of your knowledge, proof of your skills, proof you can actually help people. You get. So even with 100 subscribers, 500 subscribers, someone watching may think This person knows what they are doing. I need their help. That is how clients are born. That is how they are born. Then method number 4, brand deals. Hey, hey. This surprised a lot of beginners. You get? It surprised a whole lot of beginners. You don't need big numbers for brand deals. You don't need big numbers for brand deals. Brands care about niche relevance, audience trust, engagement rate, as in content quality, not just subscribers. So better zero that from your mind. If your channel is about YouTube education, beauty, lifestyle, tech tool, a brand selling apps, like a brand selling apps, skincare tools can still pay you to promote them. As in, they can even give you something that you should review that product. Even small channel gets free products, paid shoutouts, affiliate partnership. Then the real strategy is this. Now listen carefully. Let's slow down. Slow. Listen carefully. The biggest mistake beginners make is this. They wait for monetization before they think about money. Who does that? In this country that we are now, in this current economy, nobody does that. But smart creators do this first. They build content first. They attach income streams second. So every video becomes a traffic source, a trust builder, a money opportunity. YouTube does not pay beginners late because they are unlucky. No, it pays them late because they are only relying on one income stream. You get? Once you understand affiliate marketing, digital products, and services, brand deals, Obenge of all. You stop being a content creator waiting for monetization and become a content business owner from day one. I'm giving it to you just free. You know all those big influencers, they will, as you will pay for this thing that I'm telling you. You will pay for it. Now I want to know something from you today. If you, as in, are you still waiting for 1,000 subscribers, or are you ready to start monetizing your channel now? If you are serious about YouTube growth, stop thinking I need 1,000 subscribers first. Who does that? That's bullshit. Nobody does that. Start thinking, how do I monetize my current audience? Because the fastest growing creators in 2026 are not waiting for ads. They are building income systems from day one. And that is a wrap of this video. It's a wrap, no stress. If you've watched to this extent that I'm playing, then subscribe. Let me catch you on my next upload. That is 3 times in a week. Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. You get? So choose one that is convenient for you. Turn on those notification bells. It's not as if you watch video, you not turn off notification bell. As in, try to turn it on. Catch you. Really. Is a wrap, is a wrap, is a wrap, is a wrap from this. Fun God. Bye.